Go. Hello, tatay.
Hello.
Tawagin mo si tatay.
Hello, tatay.
Asan ka?
Asan ka?
Siring. Eating pansit. Dali, go. Ig-up ang pansit mo. Ig-up ang pansit. Ayan. Siring. Eating pansit, tatay. Let's go.
Ah?
Ah? Oh. Eat na. Eat. Eat.
Dahil na ako.
Eat. Very good. Ang bata. Nag-eat ang pansit. Nag-eat ang batang ng pansit. Adilot ang bata. Nag-eat ng pansit.
Hello. Who are you? How are you?
Here are you. Eating tayo ng pansit.
Mama.
Happy Sunday, everyone.
This is my cook. My mom like cook.
Happy Sunday.
I love my cook. This one.
I love. What? What did you say? I love the cook.
No.
Happy lunchtime po. Happy Sunday. Lunch na po tayo.
You love watermelon? Me too.
Chicken.
Apple?
Eat po tayo ng chicken.
Yes, I like apple. It's so good.
Like apple?
Yeah. Yeah. But why?
Happy Sunday. Pansit po. Lunch na po kayo dyan.
Like spaghetti.
Mga sisi.
It's so healthy.
Lunch na po kayo.
Sticky.
B. B. B.
What?
Give me baso. Bigyan mo ko ng baso.
What?
Baso.
Baso?
Yeah.
It's not for baso.
Bigyan mo ko ng baso.
I don't know.
Dali na.
One more?
Happy dinner. Happy dinner. Happy lunch time.
Water.
Na.
Give me. Give me a do. Some more.
Give me na baso. B.
What?
Give me baso.
Give you baso. It's not for baso now.
Ito may bag, B. Alay na, B.
So,
Kakain ka na, B. One more pa pansit. Eating ang bibi.
it's not a baby. No, may natawag. Water, please ako.
Hindi to water. Coke.
Water? You like water?
Saan ang glass niya? Para siya inom ng coke.
Water. Okay, you... Water.
Bye-bye po.